Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share some must-try healthy snacks for your next party in 2025. Whether you're planning a small get-together or a big bash, these snacks are sure to impress your guests and keep things deliciously guilt-free. First up, let's talk about some trending healthy options. Cauliflower buffalo bites are an absolute hit. They're crispy, spicy, and perfect for dipping. And who can resist a roasted chickpea medley with Mediterranean spices? It's crunchy, flavorful, and packed with protein. For something fresh and light, try cucumber sandwiches with herb-infused cream cheese. They're refreshing and so easy to make. Or set up a hummus and crudité platter with rainbow vegetables. It's colorful, nutritious, and always a crowd pleaser. Now let's go global with some finger foods. Asian-style dumplings, anyone? You can mix and match the fillings to suit everyone's taste. Mediterranean bruschetta variations are also a great choice. Think fresh tomatoes, basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. For a bit of a fiesta vibe, Mexican street corn cups are a must. They're tangy, spicy, and oh so delicious. And don't forget Japanese tempura vegetables with a spicy dipping sauce. Your guests will love the crunch. How about some reimagined crowd pleasers? An artisanal cheese board with local honey is both elegant and tasty. Set up a gourmet popcorn station with different seasonings for a fun, interactive snack. And mini sliders with plant-based options are perfect for everyone. Just make sure to serve 2-3 per person. For those on a budget, homemade pita chips and dips are a great go-to. Seasoned popcorn and vegetable crudités with homemade ranch also make for simple but satisfying options. Remember to label everything for dietary restrictions and keep a mix of savory and sweet snacks. Presentation is key, so use multi-level serving platters and colorful garnishes to wow your guests. Alright, that's it for today's snack ideas. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more healthy and delicious content. Thanks for watching and happy snacking in 2025.